Ladies, gents, and mga ka-half enough, welcome to our podcast. Again, my name is Che, and this is my Ulo friend Gian, and we are the Ulo.
Full opinion.
All right, guys. This is just a continuation. This is our part two. For our guest here, Miss Zandel Saisin, the love of my life. So I guess she has some questions for us, and we're just gonna go answer it. Take it away, babe. Go ahead.
Okay. So yeah, I have a question naman on my side, siguro my behalf ng mga part ng fem, I guess. Pero I wanted to ask na, for example, if may nakita kayong babae na yung partner nila tibo, and do you guys see it as like parang may chance kayo doon? Kasi may mga, for example, example, may mga, 'di ba, straight, or let's say single kayo, tapos you want to ligaw a girl. Like, paano, like, may mga nakikita nyo ba na if papatol pa sila, or, yung ganon?
Mauna na ba ako dyan?
Sige na, go.
Ikaw, ito, medyo maraming chicks to eh. Ako kasi stick to one ako eh. So, ako na lang. Pero, to answer that, ma-feel mo if may chance ka sa isang tao. Kasi usually kapag hindi naman interested sa yung tao, hindi siya open. Pag nag-start ka ng communication, na siya shutdown agad. Diba? Kasi at least sa experience ko pero matagal na rin ako sa jowa ko, guys, diba? Alam niyo naman siya. Pero at least sa experience ko before, kapag nalalaman ko kapag touchy din yung girls, pumapayag ng holding hands, yung mga ganun. Tapos kapag kinakausap mo, talagang nakikinig, yung attention nasa sa'yo. Tapos kung i-compare mo din naman how that person reacts doon sa ibang tao na kakausap niya. Basta mapipil mo kasi when pagka-special yung treatment sa'yo ng isang tao. Diba? And ewan ko lang kay half brother kasi marami yata nagpapapansin dito eh.
Uy, Raul.
Magdi-name drop ba tayo dyan, half brother?
Nasa akin ba yun? Parang ating ginawa ata talaga ni Zed yung tanong, para ata talaga sa akin yan eh.
Kaya nga nauna na ako kasi feeling ko mahaba sagot.
Halongkatan ba ng pasta, Zen?
No, curious lang talaga ako. Kasi I was wondering if may type din ba kayo, or lahat na lang ng babae, ganun.
Yes, brother.
I don't know. I think sa akin, going back lang dun sa first episode eh. Yung paano, how did you come out? Kasi I think sa akin, that magta-try lang ako ng magta-try. Tapos ewan ko, siguro tama rin naman si Ulo dito na, alam mo yun, na mafe-feel mo. Pero ako kasi, tatry lang ako nagtatry. Kunyari, ay, crush ko to, ganun, right? Tapos, magta-try lang ako. Tapos, wala, kung sino yung mga sumakay, then, alam mo yun, di start na doon. Pero di ko ata nasagot yung tanong mo.
Or ito, siguro.
If nakikita, right, na may mga kasama. Tapos kung naiisip mo kung papatol sa tibudan. Or sa akin,
sabi
ganun.
niya, nafe-feel mo nga daw ba, alam mo daw ba if parang magiging into you daw yung person?
Ako, parang if I see someone na may jowan tibo, parang hindi ko naman pinapantasya yun eh. Or yung kung sino man yun. Kasi baka hindi ko siya type. Alam mo yun, parang yun sa akin eh, na okay lang kahit hindi ko naiisip yung parang, ay, siguro may chance din ako dito sa babaeng to. Yung ganun. Kasi sa akin naman, baka, alam mo, hindi ko naman siya type, ganun. Kaya hindi ko yun naiisip. And usually, hindi ako, ewan ko, na-blanco na ako bigla.
Guys, nabablanko yan kasi iniisip niya kung ganong karaming babae yung nireject niya.
No, ewan. Yeah, ewan ko. Basta, Hindi, basta hindi ko naiisip. Hindi ko naiisip na...
Hindi kasi guys, hindi niya kailangan makiramdam kasi nagkukusa daw magparamdam yung chick
Kasi,
niya.
yun nga, hindi ko naisip kasi talaga, hindi ko talaga naisip. Kasi ako talaga yung nilalupitan. Joke lang.
Yummy.
Joke lang po, joke lang. Ano lang po to, parang kunwarian lang, ganun. Pero di ko talaga naisip yun. Wala, hindi ko yung naisip. Kung yung tanong mo. Nasagot
Okay,
ko na
next
po ba?
question.
Next question?
Next question. So, tungkol din sa mga type din. So, for example, may mga femme, may mga lipstick, 'di ba? So, anong, like, does that mean magugustuhan mo din pa yung mga lipstick or yung mga femme? Or, for example, let's say, katulad nyo, na nagmamahal din ng babae.
Una ka ba dyan? O una na ako?
Una ka na.
Ako, honest, if I know na, hindi ko nakita yung sarili kong ma-attract sa kapareho ko ng style or sa mga, mas gusto ko pa rin yung yung babae talaga, yung babaeng babae. I'm not sure kasi si Denda naman, pagka tatanungin ko siya parang, siguro eventually naging shibs na din siya. But initially kasi 'di ba hindi rin naman. So mas attracted ako sa ganun. Sa girls talaga. Hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko na magiging jowa ko is tibo din talaga or be butch talaga or lipstick. Siguro yung mga femme talaga. Yun sila na yung Pero as much as possible gusto ko babaeng babae. Yun yung preference ko Doon talaga ako nakaka-attract. Ikaw, ulo.
Ako, wait, paano ba yung femme?
Ayan si Zen, kino-consider niya sarili
Oo,
niya
kasi ako
femme.
gusto ko straight eh.
Diba?
Gusto
Yeah.
ko straight. I mean straight, as in, yung femme kasi pwedeng, like, lang, ganyan yung parang,
Pero
like, babae,
din,
pero,
diba?
pero, alam mo yun, pwede ring pumatol sa right? No, gusto ko straight. So,
Bakit kaya, Pagka sa,
ayoko,
pero,
hindi ako
no
papatol
offense sa No offense, diba? Kasi may mga nakita ko pareho silang hard butch yung itsura tapos pero magjowa sila. No offense
kaya
doon.
nga siya,
Preference niyo yun.
LGBTQ+, kasi, may
Puso
tawag
niyo
sa
yan
kanila
eh. Diba?
It's parang yun sa kanila kasi more on feelings. It doesn't matter kung gay or straight guy, straight na woman ka, lahat. Kasi dinidepende yun sa feelings.
Talagang lang to, purely preference. And wala kaming parang mang kakaibang nararamdaman. Hindi kami against doon at all. It's just we're talking about our personal preference when it comes to having relationship. And yun talagang gusto namin.
Sa akin talaga straight. And yung hindi ko makikita na parang papatol ako sa lipstick or yung parang na pwede rin sa babae. Parang okay
Kasi
sa akin pagpalit
boyish
mo ako
din
sa
yun
lalaki.
Diba? Boyish
Ako,
din
okay
kasi
ako.
yun
Pagka pagpapalit mo ako lalaki, okay lang. Pero yung makikita kita na parang like pagpapalit mo ako sa parang babae or lipstick, parang hindi ko kaya. So, hindi yun yung mga type ko. So, straight lang sa akin.
Okay, next question.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Kasi, for me then, it's just curiosity. Kasi, di ba, may mga open din sa ganun. Or, open din sa lahat. That's why, yun nga, there's dagdag sa LGBTQ community natin. So, yeah.
Well, at least that's good kasi it's like parang sa amin, rin siya part of coming out, right? Parang, ano yung mga type niya? Wala ka bang dyan? Harder questions. Yung mapapaisip man lang ba kami ng, alam mo yun, mapapabuntong hininga kami, gano'n.
Actually, meron din. I was thinking about this. What's your guys' take sa mga gay, lesbian, mga relationship?
Una ka na ba dyan mag-answer? Ka-brother?
Ako? Okay lang, sige. What's my take? What do you mean? Like my comment, or I'm open? I'm open sa
Yung
ganun,
mga,
or
like, open.
mm,
Would you be open? Mga ganon.
mm. Oh, no, mag-stick pa rin ako dun sa sinabi ko kanina na I just want straight, pero straight girl. Yun lang. I don't see myself na parang considering yung feelings towards other parang sex, parang no. Parang more on ako, like looks and then emotions after. So, pero my own opinion, siguro I'm fine with it. I don't see anything wrong. Kasi like, syempre yun nga, the community is, diba, it's becoming big. So, again, some are guys to guys, or, like, gay to gay, ladies to ladies, kasi nga, syempre, diba, they're more on emotions. So, for me, seeing a gay and lesbian couple, I'm okay. Parang as long as they're happy. As long as, they're happy. And at least, sa kanila hindi na mahirap magka-baby, di ba?
Mm.
Di ba? Instant, di ba? Like, they can
Mhm.
have it anytime they want. So,
Mhm.
yun lang. Like, for me, as long as they're happy and, they're loving each other, I'm fine with that. I support 100%. How about you, my Ulo friend?
Well, sa akin, almost the same naman. Actually, 100% same pala. So, it's not for me. Okay. Hindi siya para sa akin. Nakikita ko lang sarili ko sa girl yung kasama ko. Hindi sa gay. Pero it doesn't mean na against ako doon sa idea na yun or sa nararamdaman nila. At the end of the day, nagmamatter is yung happiness ng bawat isa sa atin. So, I support them. But again, it's not for me. Yun lang naman.
Thank you.
You.
Thank you for answering my curious questions. Ganon.
Anything harder?
Siguro napatanong din ako sa sarili ko. Like, how would I identify myself? How do you guys think I should identify myself? Kasi up to now, I don't know what to say. There's people that ask me like, what am I ba? Or, so to make it easy, sinasabi kong bi. But yung take on it, yung personal ko is, I'm attracted to guys, and hanggang matibo, butch, mask lang ako. Would you still consider that parang bi?
Ako, mauna ako. If attraction, kasi iba yung attraction sa love eh. Attract, like, may certain qualities lang about that person na na-appreciate mo. Yun yung definition ko ah. For example, nakita mo si Marqueras. Gusto mo yung, ang galing niyang sumayaw. Diba? Or kunwari, nakita mo si Dennis Trillo, gusto mo na chinita siya. That's pure attraction. However, kung ma-inlove ka sa lalaki, that's a different story. So, dun ka ma-consider as bi. At least for me or kung i-define natin siya. Kasi na-inlove ka na for both sa lalaki and sa babae. But, if it's yun nga, purely attraction, tapos na-inlove ka lang sa mga babae, talagang tibo, then I think na parang femme ka considered. Given na parang lesbian ka talaga, na babae pananamit mo, yung perspective mo babae pa din. And basta sa lahat sa'yo, babae pa din. So I think femme ka dun. Not sure, pero best person to answer, syempre, is yung partner mo. Siya yung nakakakalasa sa'yo inside and out. So, anong masasabi mo, brother?
So, tanong, how do you identify yourself? Or I think you should identify yourself as my wife.
Ay, nako po. Ito na naman po. Namumula na naman po si Zen.
Bakit? Di naman masama.
So, pagka ano siya, so ano ka, Zen? Anong type of ano ka? Of lesbian? Wife ako ni Che. Ganon.
Oo, ganun. So,
I'm the
alam na nila
wife.
yung sagot doon pag ganun.
Mm-mm.
Well, so going back dun sa sinabi ni Ulo, na iba yung love, iba yung attraction. So, babalik ko sa yung tanong, parang, can you fall in love with a guy?
Yeah, I think.
Then bye ka. Bilis ka
I think
ungkap,
so.
diba? Sabi ni Ulo, kapag ka if you can fall in love, then that's when you can
Meaning,
consider yourself
you can
bi.
teach yourself to fall in love. Or, kasi diba, falling in love comes, parang it's natural talaga. So, wala kang control. So, for example, right now, nai-in-love ko pa ba sa iba? You're saying you can.
Syempre,
Diba?
right now, hindi.
Hindi,
Nasa
yun,
in a
exactly.
relationship siya eh.
You're saying you can right now. Si utak mo lang yung nagsasabi that you can. Pero yung heart mo ba, napa-experience na sa'yo ma-in love sa lalaki? Kasi madaling sabihin, I can say na ma-in love ako sa lalaki kung gusto ko.
Wait, pero like her life kasi
Diba?
naman, she was, like, I think she was with I don't know, she had like a puppy love na guy.
Puppy love.
Anyway,
Pero
Yeah, but-
after nun,
but
never
after
na,
that
diba?
kasi, the first relationship was, lesbian. And then after nun, wala namang pahingi. The next
Puro
one,
lesbian na.
it was me right away. So I don't think
diba?
there was a chance nung time na yun na there was a chance nung time na yun na she was able to fall in love sa guy. Kasi there's no
Yun nga.
break.
Exact, yun nga yung point. Like, di ba sabi ko, yung falling in love with someone, hindi mo na control. Even if nasa relationship ka.
The
Right?
thing is, she fell in love with me. Even if
Oo
she's
nga.
in a relationship before.
Yeah,
It
yun
was
nga.
me.
So, that's, ayun yung point ko. So,
I think,
bakit mo
actually,
consider, di ba?
I don't know, kasi,
Why?
for example, dati, let's say, may mga times ako na, for example, there's a guy that likes me and di ko sila gusto. Yung front ko talaga is, I like girls. Like, yan yung cut ko para, para umiwas na sila or something.
Yeah.
But that's just
Hindi.
in a way na,
I-out mo yun. Ibahin mo yun. Like, kasi, di ba, yun nga, normal naman yung nai-in love ka, ganyan. And then, kung may darating na guy na sabi mo ng lahat ng traits ng gusto mo, do you think na mai-in love ka? Kasi hindi mo naman makokontrol yung puso mo eh. Kung talagang attracted ka sa guy, or mai-in love ka sa guy, mai-in love ka kahit nandyan si Che. So, yun. Yun sa akin yun yung basis ko. So, kung prior kayo naging jowa or maging partners ni Che, na consider mo sarili mo as bi, then it's fine. Pero for this 8 years, femme ka talaga kasi hindi ka naman na-attract. Diba? And 8 years is 8 years. Ang tagal na nun. So, I don't think na makakount ka pa as bisexual unless meron ka nga experience recently or at least in that 8 years na na-attract ka sa lalaki.
I guess that makes
So how will she identify herself like pag tinanong ka?
Kasi,
I'm a
for
lesbian.
example,
But I'm a femme. Ganon. I'm a femme lesbian.
no, pero, diba, for example,
Kasi diba, I don't know, lesbian.
kay Che
diba,
kasi
is-
parang take niya is parang straight pa din.
yeah, my take is she's still straight.
Oo. Kasi guys,
Like, kasi sa akin, my take talaga is she's still straight. Kasi nga, like, yun nga, she can still be attracted to guys. And at the same
Pero
time,
yun yung sinasabi niya. Yun yung sinasabi niya. I can
no,
still be
it was
attracted.
me.
It doesn't
That's how I identify her.
Hindi, kahit siya, di ba sinasabi niya, I can still fall in love. Pero na-experience mo ba? Or, sige, dagdagan natin, for the past 15 years, or, di ba, 10 years,
Pag 10 years,
was
it's
there
for
a
me.
time, was there a time na na-in love ka with a guy?
Kasi,
I told you, there's no space, there's no
Walang
time, there's no
space.
like break.
Hindi.
pero, for example,
Oh,
Like-
ito na lang. So, you said na within the 10 years, you were in a relationship before, pero na-fall ka kay Che. How is that possible na kay Che ka na-fall, pero hindi sa ibang guy? Huwag mo sabihin walang space kasi nag-open ka nga. Na-in-love ka nga kay Che.
Kasi nga nakita
Diba?
niya ako eh.
yeah,
That's my
Pero
point.
nakita niya nga ako eh. Tapos doon siya,
Oo
oh,
nga.
cute na ito.
Hindi. Sige. Before kanya nakita, ito,
Parang-
before kanya nakita, wala bang nagparamdam sa'yo kahit kayo nung ni ex? I doubt.
Meron, pero,
Hindi ka
pero my
na-attract.
eyes are on,
Diba? Ayun na answer. Meron, ayaw mo. Kasi, hindi
Hindi
mo
niya
nga
type.
nagugustuhan. So,
Pwede-
hindi ka talaga attracted.
hmm.
Aminin mo na.
Pero what if my type na, what if hindi ko nga type yung mata?
Exact, hindi nga. Kasi nga, hindi mo type. Kasi, hindi ka na-attract. Hindi mo nagugustuhan. Acceptance, guys. Acceptance. Hindi talaga. Okay. Hindi talaga. Fem talaga.
Well, yeah, then siya sa femme lesbian.
Mm-mm. Diba?
I don't know, I think that's how it is. Like,
Sasabihin
I think
mo
the
walang
generation,
space.
ha?
Diba sabi niya walang space, ikaw agad.
There's no space.
Pero may overlap. A slight overlap. Slight. Hindi official overlap.
Yung may continuation lang, yung,
Okay. Sige. Pagandahin
Talaga
natin.
parang eclipse.
Oo.
Nag-overlap.
yung,
Tapos nag-break.
Okay,
Tas
pagandahin
biglang
na lang. Sige,
nag-continue.
pagandahin natin yung term. Nag-stop ng konti. Pero nung nag-stop, diba? I mean, kasi nga, dumating ka sa point sa life mo na wherein you're still committed, tapos you allowed yourself to fall in love with another person. And that person is Che, which is a lesbian din.
Mm-mm.
Right? Hindi ka naman, maganda ka naman, Zen. So, I highly doubt na walang nagparamdam sa inyo, guys. And hindi ko
Meron
sabihin
nga,
isa
pero
lang
hindi
yan,
niya
dalawa.
type.
Yun nga. Kasi nga, hindi nga siya na-attract.
No, kasi
Hindi
kahit
kasi
naman
siya
ako,
nagkakagusto.
babae ako, hindi ko rin type.
Hindi.
Kunyari babae ako,
Sabi-
ano? Kunyari type
Sabi
ng
mo lang
babae
yan.
ako.
Hindi Kapag naniligaw ang guy sa'yo, nagpaparamdam sa'yo, kung purpursue ka niya, I doubt din naman na hindi mo mabibigyan ng chance at all. Pero shutdown niya eh. But yung sa'yo, in-entertain niya. But yung sa
Ako po yung
guys na yan, diba?
nag-entertain.
Okay, sorry. Ano natin. Diba, yung thought na mapurso ka, ganda.
Mm.
Na ipurso ka
Thank you,
niya.
thank you.
Diba? Bakit hindi na lang doon? Ganon din naman.
Siyempre, mas
Nagigets
pogi
diba
ako
yung
dun
point?
eh.
Pero nga, at the end of the day,
Joke lang.
diba? Yun nga yung magde-define kung saan ka na in love. Doon mo malalaman kung sino ka. And kung titignan mo for the past 10 years, sa lesbian ka lang na in love. So, ibig sabihin, yun lang talaga yung gusto mo.
Mm.
Just take it. Just take it, babe.
Diba?
I think so. I think
Nag-debate?
may true naman.
Tayo? Nag-debate daw ba tayo?
Kaya nga bigla just take it, babe.
That's the opinion.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. At least for me, kasi doon ko din, si din pagka nag-uusap kami, like, before ako, lahat ng ex niya, lalaki. Walang tipo, ako lang. Ang daming pumorma sa kanyang tipo, hindi siya talaga nagkakagusto. Nag-iba lang din nung naging kami. And 'di ba, for the past 16 years, I can say na siya, nasa tibo. So, kasi 'di ba, napag-usapan natin
Si ate
before.
din, lesbian din.
Feeling ko nandun na siya sa ganong stage.
So, same kami ni ate Dan, ganon.
Parang ganun.
No,
Kasi
body kayo ni ate din.
Mm. Mm-mm.
Femme
Diba?
lesbian.
Okay. So, ayun guys. Yun pala ako. By the end of this podcast, yun pala ako.
Defined na. Hindi na
I
siya
think you said that
manlilito.
earlier. I think you said that earlier anyway. You said you're
Oo.
femme. Yeah.
Sinabi mo naman eh.
Yeah,
Kinonfirm
sinabi
lang
mo.
natin.
Well, at least this time, there's like, na-finalize.
Oo.
Kasi,
At least now I have an
actually, yeah,
answer.
like, parang people will ask kasi, like, ano ba siya? And syempre siya,
Mm-mm.
she doesn't know too.
I really don't know what to
Mm.
answer.
She doesn't know how
Sinasabi ko
to
lang
answer it.
yun.
And then she would ask me, and ako sabi ko, I think you're still straight. Kasi, like, parang I'm not open with all these, like, terms, right? Na ano. So, parang ako, and since, syempre, at the same time, di ba, I only go for straight. Parang I just went straight, right? And, yun nga, parang ako kasi, if I see you na parang, yeah, pwede kang pumatol sa tibo, but then kaya mo rin pumatol sa lalaki, then I see you as straight. Parang ganon. Not really like a bi, or alam mo yun. Kasi, ang iniisip, kasi, for me, kasi parang, syempre ako, I identify na parang, like, I act like a guy, so parang I wanna be identified as a guy, 'di ba? So, that's the reason why I see her na parang straight. Kasi she can fall in love with a guy, like straight guy. She can fall in love with a butch na still acting like a guy. So parang alam mo yun, parang feeling ko wala lang difference because of that.
That's
Right?
true.
Yun take ko. Kaya I've been explaining that to her na I think you're straight. Kasi you can't go down naman. Kasi bi is like, she can go with lipstick. And then at the same time, she can go with guys. Right? That's how I understand yung bi. Kaya bisexual, right? You can go like yung lipstick na babae din, like same as her na manamit, or can go with, but then the thing is, she's going lang sa mga tibo na talagang dress like a guy, like, act like a guy, and look like a
Pero
guy.
may namit na ba kayong bisexual? May kilala kayo in person na bisexual?
More on the guy side. Yun lang.
Yeah.
And kung papansin nyo sa mga bisexual, after nila sa girl, nagpapalit sila ng guy, papalit sila ulit ng girl. Pero hindi straight. Talagang they can fall in love like in a span of 3-5 years, paiba-iba. Girl, boy, diba? Never same. Kung papansinin mo kay Zen, same siya for the past 10 years. More than 10 years actually, diba? Consistent.
Yeah. No, yun nga. That's why, like, again, it's just that, like, I consider her, like, straight because of that. Because, the past relationship naman and me, like, act like a guy, look like a guy, dress like a guy. So, we consider ourselves as a guy. Kaya parang sabi ko, oh, you don't fall in love with someone else, like, mga girls. So, you're straight. That's all. That's it, Pero, like, it's okay. If you're femme lesbian, it's not a
Hindi naman
problem.
babawasan yung pagmamahal mo,
I know,
diba?
right? Yeah. Maganda ka pa rin. Love pa rin kita, so it's fine.
Ganda talaga.
It's not about the the gender anyway.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
yun. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, babe, for your time. Thanks for giving us a good conversation and a good debate. Parang yung opinion na to naging debate eh.
Debate pa, no? Kailangan may patunayan eh.
Well, hopefully next time, you would still show up as our guest. Malay mo, maging
With more questions.
ka na. Co-host.
Co-host na pala, no?
Oo, naging co-host.
Pwede naman.
But yeah, you never know. But yes, thanks for your time, babe, and thanks for guesting. And yeah, sana nga ba naman, no? Not like the first and last. And yun, anything to say?
That's it. Thank you for having
Anything to say, Ulo?
Yeah, I'm very happy sa naging discussion natin. This is the longest discussion na meron tayo.
I think so, yeah.
Oo, sobrang marami tayong napag-usapan na I think magiging relevant sa ibang tao. So I hope may makuha kayo.
Yeah, I hope may natutunan sila or, puro kalokohan. Joke lang. And how about you, babe? Anything to say?
That's good. Good talk. Till next time, guys.
All right,
Next
then.
time.
So, again, guys, maraming salamat. I think we're gonna end it here. This is Che, and this is my friend Ulo Gian, and this is my babe, our first guest for tonight, Zendel Saisin. And guys, again, if you guys have any comments or any questions, advice, or or anything that you want in private, you can always send us an email to Gian.
Che
Tama
and
ba?
Gian.
Oh, Che and Gian at gmail.com. And also give us a comment down below if you just pop a question or anything that you want to talk about. Again, guys, maraming salamat, and this is Ul Opinion. Peace out.